Rahul Gandhi all set to break silence a day after his disqualification as a member of parliament. At 1, there will be a press conference. Congress cadre have hit the streets in several parts of the country. These are pictures coming in from different parts of the country. Effort to galvanize support from the opposition to in fact also corner the Narendra Modi-led central government. On this entire controversy that has broken out over Rahul Gandhi's disqualification from Lok Sabha as an MP. In Madhya Pradesh's Bhopal, workers of the Congress protested with locks on their mouths, while in Wayanad, they raised slogans against Prime Minister Modi. In Bhubaneswar, they burned the Prime Minister's effigy. In Chhattisgarh's Korba, Congress workers threw ink on the posters of the BJP. Rahul Gandhi's sister and Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in a scathing attack at the Prime Minister, questioned why there was no action against Modi for Nehru Jai but Rahul, and questioned who his real father was. Pictures coming in from Wayanad, the erstwhile parliamentary constituency of Rahul Gandhi. Also from Bhopal, where Congress workers are sitting on a protest. Also, these are pictures coming in from Congress headquarters in Delhi AICC, where workers of the Delhi Congress have gathered in support of Rahul Gandhi. In just about 30 minutes from now, Rahul Gandhi will still be holding a press conference. In several parts of India, Congress workers clashed also with the police as they tried to bring the law and order situation under control. However, the war has only intensified between the BJP and the Congress. A series of reactions coming in. Let's go straight to that.
I'm joined by Chhattisgarh Health Minister T.S. Singh Dev. Sir, the Congress has given a clarion call of sorts that you are going to hit the streets all across the country. But what's the plan? Because we have not seen such kind of numbers in the national capital yesterday. How grand is this protest going to be?
The plan is to reach the people. The attempt is being made to reach the people. What was the Padyatra about? You walk from Kanyakumari to Srinagar over a long period of time. What was the idea? What do you get about getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30 in the morning, getting ready, hitting the trail at 6 in the morning, walking and meeting people, talking to them, getting their perspectives, telling them something if the opportunity is so right. What was that about?
We haven't seen those numbers since yesterday. I mean, your biggest, tallest leader in the party in terms of mass appeal has been disqualified from Lok Sabha. No such public support or IYC Congress workers on the streets of Delhi.
Is our role to disrupt society? Or is our role to get the message across to people? Is our role to hit the streets and take part through some means of violence? Or is it to get across to the people so that we have their support when the matter of the voting time comes? We are in a parliamentary democracy where eventually how the country is to be run is decided by every 5 years the voters who cast their votes. So the idea is to get to them, to reach them, to make them aware of the reality of the country, reality of the situation in the country.
What is the strategy for this protest? Monday is going to be the big day for you, for the Congress party. So what's the strategy?
I won't know. I am far too low in the hierarchy of the Congress party. But it is to get the people, get to the people. In a democracy or in any situation, when a change is to come about or when you have to reach out to make a change, make a difference, it is the people of the country, of the society who matter.
See this quick movement in terms of the institutions. On 23rd March, Rahul Gandhi gets convicted. On 24th, he gets disqualified. This swiftness, how do you see it?
It's a management and manipulation of the legal system and the systems in our country. Where does the Representation of People Act say that the minute the court gives an order regarding a situation which may lead to disqualification, you do it the next morning? The Prime Minister meets with the Speaker at night and the next morning this disqualification comes out. Where does it stay? In so many minutes, so many hours, so many days, this order is to be taken out. There is a process of appeal. if you believe and talk about the legal system and belief in the legal system, then you should have believed in the legal system, the BJP.
Mr. Gandhi has been denied fair trial in this matter, fair hearing at least.
Certainly, because the legal system is not about a sessions court. It is about a matter of appeal, which goes up from the High Court to the Supreme Court and from a single bench to a double bench and a larger bench, etc. So you have that recourse in the legal system. That should not have been preempted.
One final question, sir. You're getting support from the opposition benches as well, Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress. All these parties who have maintained some sort of distance from Congress Party have gotten together over Rahul Gandhi's disqualification issue.
I don't know whether it is support or whether it is realizing that there is a situation in the country and everybody is saying the same thing and seeming to be on the same platform, which they should be. Earlier it was that guy is getting raided, so why should I say anything? That guy is getting raided, so why should I say anything? Let him do, let their party do, let that leader do, let that person do.
Could this be rallying point for 2024 battle?
This is not about 2024 or 2024 only. It is about the situation in the country. We must realize, and through your good offices, through the media, that is how we can reach the largest number of people. It is not about an election. It is about what is going to be the situation in our democratic country, in our democratic republic, in our federal republic tomorrow. It's not about 24. The Bharat Jodo Yatra was not about 24 elections. This situation is not about Rahul Gandhi only. This situation is not what will happen now in the 2024 elections. What is going to happen in the country in the times to come is what everybody should be talking about.
So that was T.S. Singhdev, Chhattisgarh Health Minister, who is saying that this entire situation is not only about Rahul Gandhi, rather it is a larger question about the democracy, and is also welcoming the opposition coming together over this issue. With video journalist Waqar, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.